LWO on WeatherNet. Liftoff conditions been pretty good.
ESTS is ready for launch.
Ignition. Liftoff.
Falcon 9 has cleared the tower.
Ten, 9, 8,
Side booster ignition.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning. It's Wednesday, January 20th, and you're looking at a live view of Falcon 9 as it awaits its 8:02 a.m. Eastern Time launch from Pad 39A at Kennedy Space Center. This booster debuted on our Demonstration 1 mission in March of 2019 and then flew again 3 months later on RADARSAT Constellation Mission. In 2020, it supported 4 StarLink missions as well as the SXM-7 mission at the end of the year. And we will be attempting to recover the booster again on our drone ship, Just Read the Instructions, and that's what you see on your screen, stationed off the coast of Florida in the Atlantic Ocean. If we are successful, it will mark the 72nd recovery of our Falcon 9 first stage. You're looking at a live view of Falcon 9, our 70-meter two-stage liquid-fueled launch vehicle. Today, we are using flight-proven fairing halves, and Miss Tree and Miss Chief, which you are looking at on your screen. We'll be attempting to recover them by wet recovery, meaning we will be retrieving them from the water.
All the projects I've probably been involved in, this is, for me personally and professionally, the most rewarding one. I've never worked with a community or a customer or client that's been more excited about something or happier. And I just, I don't know what could be more rewarding than that.
After many, many months of trying to get internet to Becanjicum through other means, Dave was really determined to find a different way. He began doing a lot of research and eventually reached out to SpaceX.
They went back and they got the approval, and they came back to me and said that Becanjicum was going to be the first SpaceX StarLink client in Canada. That changed everything from that moment on.
It is so incredible to see the community's excitement and gratitude, and our StarLink team is really proud to be able to help communities like the Becanjicum First Nation Reservation.
Nice, 15 seconds.
Falcon 9 is configured for flight.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
Max Q.
And there's that call out that we've passed through Max Q.
And Miko. Stage separation confirmed. And ignition and throttle up.
And there you just saw Miko and stage separation on your left-hand screen. On your right-hand screen is the second stage. We're waiting on fairing deploy coming up here shortly.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And there you could see the fairing halves have been deployed, and you could see them falling back to Earth.
Saved.
Stage 1, entry burn startup.
There's that call out and visual of the entry burn on the first stage on your left-hand screen. So it'll last about 20 seconds long. There's a view of the drone ship on your left-hand screen.
Stage 1, landing leg, deploy.
Looks like we lost that live view on the first stage. We'll wait for confirmation. And there you can see on your screen, we have landed the Falcon 9 for the 8th time. This is our life leader. What an amazing morning. That is an awesome view. Now we're coming up on the deployment of our stack of StarLink satellites in just a few seconds here. So we will listen in and watch live as the payload deploys. We've got the sun beaming into our camera view there.
Payload deploy confirmed.
What you are seeing live are those StarLink satellites in space drifting away from our second stage, which confirms deployment. Shortly, they will deploy their solar array, and over the next few days and weeks, they will distance themselves from each other and use their onboard ion thrusters to make their way to their operational orbit. And that brings our webcast to a close. Thank you to the Range and the FAA for supporting today's mission. And thanks to all of our viewers, as well as all of those in the US, Canada, and the UK who ordered StarLink under our public beta program. If you're interested in being a part of our beta program, head over to starlink.com and sign up. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.